Zaras Curtains, also known as Zaras Trading, is a leading name in Dubai's window treatment industry, celebrated for its elegant curtains and blinds. They're not just about covering windows, they're about enhancing your space with premium quality and diverse designs. What makes Zaras Curtains stand out? They offer an extensive collection of curtains crafted from durable, fade-resistant, and easy-to-clean fabrics. Whether you're looking for blackout curtains for ultimate privacy, sheer curtains to let in soft light, or luxurious designs that make a statement, Zaras has it all. Their range includes various styles like eyelet curtains, Roman blinds, and modern tracks, catering to homes, offices, and commercial spaces alike. Tailored solutions and expert service. Zaras truly excels in customization. You can pick the perfect colors, patterns, and even add intricate embroidery to match your interior design vision. Plus, their team provides expert consultations to help you choose the best window treatments that fit both your needs and your budget. Beyond sales, Zaras offers a comprehensive service package, typically including free measurement, delivery, and professional installation across Dubai and the UAE. This ensures a seamless and hassle-free experience from start to finish. Elegance meets functionality. Their philosophy is simple: enhance spaces with both style and practicality. They provide solutions for optimal light control, privacy, and aesthetic appeal, making every room look and feel its best. While you might hear Zara Home mentioned, it's important to remember that Zaras Curtains is a distinct, specialized curtain and blind shop in Dubai. They pride themselves on customer satisfaction and offer a vast array of options to suit diverse tastes and requirements, making them a top choice for those seeking high-quality window treatments in Dubai.